Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AiBabyDoge token. AiBabyDoge, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token is up 70.83% right now. Just got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the AiBabyDoge token. So AiBabyDoge.com is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap now, along with their price chart, contract address, Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, and a full white paper. Now, there is a big warning here at the top of the CoinMarketCap page. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So, when there's warnings like that, things can be very sketchy. You don't want them to disable selling, then there's a honeypot, and then they rug pull you, and then there's all sorts of bad things that happen, lose your funds, this and that. So, thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token because of that big warning on the top of the CoinMarketCap page. Now, a lot of people who have aped in on tokens, they go, oh, don't worry about the big warning. Always worry about warnings, okay? Always. Now, it says here, in recent years, AI technology has rapidly developed thanks to the combination of advancements in the fields of machine learning, artificial intelligence, computer vision, natural language processing, and other technologies. These advancements have opened up many new doors for AI applications in various areas, from automating manufacturing, robotics, self-driven cars, chatbots, automated medical diagnosis, and many other applications. So they go over the history kind of OpenAI and Elon Musk and GPT 2 and 3 and 4 and NFTs and DAOs and staking and all that type of stuff on their introduction here. Now, within the ecosystem, so it says AiBabyDoge Lucky Drop. So they're going to have 3% of the transaction fee is going to be converted into ARB and then put in a prize pool. And then you might get lucky and get a whole bunch of basically free tokens dropped to you. So if you do want to get this token, even though there's that big warning that you should be aware of, this token is an Ethereum token, so you get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the AiBabyDoge token using the contract address that you can now find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or webpage. You can find it all over. Make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage. We're going to go over the tokenomics here in a second. And just be aware that liquidity will be locked. Well, hopefully it's locked. We'll check that out in 1 second here. It actually only says they have 75 holders so far. What's up with that? 75 holders? That doesn't seem... Okay, I mean, it's possible. This could be... I thought this token was doing very well. It said up 70%. Maybe they just started with, 2 holders and now they're up to 75. But yeah. It said, according to their Etherscan, 75 holders, 6 decimal places, and an insane amount of tokens here. It won't even let me really scroll over. It'll tell me in the tokenomics here in 1 second, though. So yeah, they have the lucky draw. You might get some free ARB, so that's one of their utilities. Now they have the AiBabyDoge voice chat. So it's a dedicated Android and iOS browser with voice speech extensions and other features designed to help people access websites like GPT, Bing AI, etc. They also have the AiBabyDoge staking, where you can get rewards. And they also have the AiBabyDoge draw NFTs. So basically it's artificial intelligence, and they're going to draw an NFT for you, basically. And then they have the DAO, so you can get involved with decisions, proposals, voting in which direction the project is going to go. Let's skip down to the tokenomics here. So total supply of this token, very much a meme number here. That is 420 quadrillion tokens. 65% of those tokens go to the liquidity pool. 20% goes to the airdrop round number 1. 5% staking. 5% goes to airdrop round number 2. And then another 4% goes to airdrop round number 3. And then 1% lucky airdrop. So just a small amount goes to that reward lucky drop thing. Now, talking about transparency and community. Now, I don't know how much transparency or security they have because of that big warning there. I don't see a full audit on their document section. I do not see a KYC. I don't see any of those things. So thoroughly investigate this token before purchasing. Now, it says AiBabyDoge was established October 2022 with the goal of becoming a decentralized organization. Our aim is to provide the community with a smoother experience in AI applications in the future. AiBabyDoge's mission is to push AI platforms to always strive for the latest innovations. AiBabyDoge introduction will introduce the AI to the next generation applications such as voice chat, NFT drawing, and support for staking and the DAO. Now they have use cases for designers, use cases for developers. You can check that out on their white paper. They also have social medias, brands, terms of service, all that type of stuff. So they have a Twitter, they have Medium articles, GitHub, and Telegram. So you can read all sorts of Medium articles. Their Telegram seems to be a Chinese group. So if you speak English, you're probably out of luck. Maybe they have a different one. 1,143 Telegram members. But yeah, 75 holders? That's kind of strange. I thought this token was taken off, but I guess not. It's only up 70%, but I guess it just basically started exactly when it got listed on CoinMarketCap, which happens. But yeah, I am not a financial advisor, so definitely do your own research on this token. Take this token with a grain of salt. I am not telling you to buy it. There's a big warning. Do your own research, but leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.